Okay, so this is how to send the UNX to other user. So first, we already get the address. So you need to do, what you need to do is you go to your Unilive. Then of course, you click the circle also. Click the circle, this one. Okay, then you go to this Unimex. You go to that Unimex, click the Unimex. Then if it is inside the staking, so you click the staking, then you go to asset, then you click the transfer out. Okay, then you make sure that your transfer quota, you are able to transfer a minimum of 100 UNX. So in this case, actually we already transfer, so I'm just showing to you that you need to transfer out if it is inside the staking. Okay, so now if it's not yet transferred, make sure your quota is able to transfer out. So doing that, we have that another video tutorial that you need to send a tip to the star streamer. But for now, once one since we already transferred out, we go to my asset. Okay, go back, then you click this my asset. Okay, this one. Okay, you click this asset, by the way. Then once you already click that asset, it will already be here, but now it is in, okay, you see this is $59, but you can see in the USDT there is no $59 here. Okay, the $59 is in UNX. So what you need to do is, you see here, so the value is in this one. The value is in UNX, this one. Okay, it's 198. So now we are going to transfer this one to the other user. So what you need to do is to click this transfer. Okay, we have to click this transfer. Then okay, let us click the transfer. Then what you need is the address. Okay, so you need the address here. Then you need to enter the amount and get the verification code from the email. Okay, so let's do this. So the address, we paste it here. This is the address. We already saved this. Okay, then you click the amount. Okay, click the amount. So make sure that it's already the address. Click the amount.